everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a TXT file using user input, and I'm going to create that TXT file on my desktop. So I'm going to create a desktop path here, so that's going to be my scalar path, and I'm in Windows, by the way, and this is the path to my desktop. You will have to find your own unique desktop path, because if you simply type this in on your system, it won't work. Okay, so that's the path assigned to a scalar variable. Now all we have to do is to change into that path using chdr, change directory into that scalar path, and we will be in that path. Alright, we're going to create a subroutine here, and I'm just going to call it create, let's say TXT. So first of all, we're going to create another scalar variable, my scalar file name. So we're going to type in our file name in here that we want to create. You have to assign that to prompt, which will get the user input. Enter file name .txt. There we go. Now we're going to create another scalar variable called content. This is the content that we're going to write into the file, the text basically. So this is going to be prompt again, and simply enter text. So that's getting the user input. Okay, now we're going to create a conditional called if, because we're going to evaluate the situation. If file name .io input output .e exists. So if this file already exists in this directory, we're going to tell the user that. Say file already exists. We're just going to quit the program, I think. Exit. Quitting Python. Okay, so exit the program there. Else, if that's not the case, we're going to do something else. I'm going to print out a message to the user first. Say creating file. Okay, and we're going to give it a sleep there for 1 second. Sleep is basically a pause, so that's, I'm pausing it for 1 second. If I did 5, I would pause it for 5 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to create the file and we're going to write to it, and we can do this by using Spurt, and that's going to be the scalar file name, and write the content into a scalar content. Okay, and then we're going to do say again. We'll do scalar file name. That's wrong. Created here. And then that's going to be the scalar path. Okay. Right, let's just save that. And to run it, we'll have to type in create TXT there to run the program. Let's just save it now. I'm going to run it in the terminal in the bottom here, so to do that you type in Raku and then the name of the file. So the file is called test.raku. Hit enter, Okay, enter the file name. So we can name it anything so long as it ends in .txt. So I'm going to say jjj.txt. Hit enter. Enter the text. Hello world. Hit enter. Creating file, and it says jjj.txt created here. So let's see if it's been created. Okay, so there's the text file. Let's have a look if it's printed the content inside. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.